So this is a video about my design of a lamp using multi-parts. I wanted to create something that I imagined that light would interact with as it was shining down the sides of the lamp. It's so nicely printed. Yeah, this is absolutely beautiful. I'm really pleased with how this turned out. So the pattern here is really beautiful all the way in. First green glaze blended in has a brownish tint on the edges, dark metallic top going into a green base. It does look a lot like an alien dong, and I'm certainly happy I've got one.